Hello Chroma kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Rapunzel. Do you know who is Rapunzel? Rapunzel is a beautiful girl with very long golden hair. She was locked away in a tall tower by a witch who did not want anyone to find her. The tower has no stairs or door, only one window at the very top. Rapunzel spent her all time in the tower singing and dreaming about the outside world. One day, a prince heard her singing and found the tower. She called out to the prince and she let down her hair so he could climb up and visit her. The prince and Rapunzel became friends and they made a plan to escape the tower so that Rapunzel could see the world she had always dreamed of. Eventually, with the prince's help, Rapunzel was free from the tower and they lived happily ever after. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.